Hello, hello there. I'm Vardhika Jain. Welcome to my channel. It's a lot of times when I think of interacting with you, and then I don't get to, film the video, make that interaction. The thoughts just keep going on in my head that I want to share this with you, I want to share that with you, but then I don't go ahead and make that video. So I just thought that I'll quickly come and interact with you. This video is very simple in terms of what I want to share, and probably you just can listen to it while you are traveling or something like that. The idea I wanted to share with you was quite general, but it's specific to where you are in your life at this point of time. You might be struggling with emotional discomfort. You might be struggling with the social stigma about the COVID pandemic, which has spread across the world and is affecting each one of us in different ways. So I just thought that what I wanted to share with you, might just, uh, ease your comfort, or not ease your comfort, what do we say? It might ease your discomfort in terms that you can cope with it well. So, not taking too much of time in explaining what I am going to say, I'll just say what I want to say. When you are spending your day, when you wake up and till the time you go back to sleep, there are a lot of times when different thoughts cross our mind. Millions of thoughts, probably. I don't know how many thoughts cross our mind every second. And then we get in the mode of reactive spending. So we spend our time reacting to our environment instead of influencing our environment ourselves. Basically, our day goes in one thought coming to us and then we reacting to it, and then the other thought coming to us and then we are reacting to it. Just like early in the morning, the water is not there is no water, let's just say, or there is no electricity, and you feeling really hot and you're feeling humid, and then you will be like, oh my god, what kind of day has begun, and मैं कैसे अपना दिन बिताऊंगी, it's so hot and I'm feeling so sweaty, the day is gone. So that's how we begin our days. There is a thought that comes to our mind and then we react to it. Instead of whatever the environment has for us, we begin by influencing it, completely doing the opposite of what we are doing right now. Instead of reacting, let your environment become the listener and you be the speaker. Instead of listening to your environment, all thoughts coming to you and everything being, pushed onto you, and everything being said to you, or you listening to everything, talk to your environment. Do this, just try it for a day or for a week. And I've heard somewhere that it takes 21 days, consistent 21 days, to create a habit. So you can probably even try doing this for 21 days if that's possible for you. But every morning, first thing in the morning, tell yourself you are going to talk to your environment and not just listen to it. Of course, listen to it. If there is any indication, if there are hints, if there are good things coming to you, let them come. Acknowledge them. Acknowledge your environment. But talk to it more in the terms of influencing it. So let's just say the water, or there is no electricity in the morning, the AC is not working and you are feeling really hot and humid. What do you say to yourself? Oh, it's hot. Just another day of life. Maybe it will rain after a few hours, or why not? I'll just take a shower and then I'll be good to go. So there are a lot of things, or a lot of thoughts that you can influence into your conscious and subconscious mind by interacting with your environment in a mode where you are influencing it, not just reacting to it. It's hot, oh my god, no. It's hot, oh, let's take a shower. That's how you react. Probably, if not, if the answer doesn't strike you immediately, what you can do is, whenever an uneasy or discomforting circumstance occurs in your day, just take a deep breath, listen to it, acknowledge everything that is around you, but listen to yourself first. Tell yourself, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay, I'm good, I'm fine. Oh, just bluntly tell yourself, you're awesome, I'm awesome. Why not? Yes, I am awesome. Why not? Because I'm just one of a kind person. I react to this thing this way, I react to that thing that way. This is my style, this is my way. Because that is you. But don't let any situation cause your mind to feel bad, cause your mind to create negative thoughts, because that's going to create chain reaction, and negativity accumulates negativity, and it will give birth to more negative thoughts in your mind, because that will create a pattern in your mind. Whenever there will be hot humid weather, you will feel discomfort. Whenever the AC will not work, you will not like that. So try to react to your environment in a way that you can influence it for your benefit, instead of reacting to it in a way when you are just in a reactive mode all day long. So that's what I wanted to tell you. For whatever situation comes in your day, tell yourself you're good. You can manage it. You can do it. You will walk through it with confidence and poise. You will get through it. You will get through all the troubles. Tell yourself confidently whatever you don't want or you do not like, tell yourself that you can manage it. See, troubles are a part of life. They make you who you are. They challenge your limits. They challenge your potential. There are also some tests in life where they make you a better person because of the difficult circumstances that you go through. Cherish them. They are also, there are people who will criticize you, who will backbite you, and they will do bad things to you. But those people are the reason why you become even stronger. So, yes, keep your friends with you, but keep your enemies even closer, because they make you stronger, they make you better. Friends will comfort you and keep you in your comfort zones. They will challenge you, of course, but your enemies will make you competitive. They will make you better. So same goes with your difficult circumstances. Your problems, they make you better. They help you cope. Diseases improve your immune system because you cope with them and you come out stronger. So whenever you are spending your day through from the first thought of your mind till the last thought, please make sure that you influence your environment rather than just simply react to it. And also, you keep yourself calm and composed by telling yourself, reminding yourself again and again and again that you are good, you are enough, you can cope with it, you can manage it, you can walk through it. You are confident, you are courageous, you are brave, that you will face every problem and make good out of it. Because you can and you will. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys, because the environment is not very comforting these days and we are missing our travel plans, we are missing a lot of things we had planned earlier. But every circumstance, every difficult situation, again I'm saying, makes us stronger, makes us more aware about who we are, what we are capable of, our potential. It tests our potential. So test your potential, but do not react or give in to your day. Own it. Rule your day. Tell how you want you to spend your day and spend it like that. So feel good about yourself. Influence your day, influence your thoughts, influence your environment, and have an amazing life. Amazing, amazing life. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.